Good morning children. Today we will see the exercise 3.6 question number 1, and from that I am taking that question number 2, where given pair of linear equations are 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y equals to 2. We will give it to number 1 in solution, and 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y equals to minus 1. We will give it to number 2. So as I told you, we have to reduce these equations. So to reduce it, we will try to keep the variable term inside the bracket, and we will write this above equation like this: 2 upon 2 into 1 upon root x plus 3 into 1 upon root y, and the other second equation will be written as 4 into 1 upon root x minus 9 out 1 upon root y. This is equals to 2 and this is equals to minus 1. So now see, in both the equations the bracket terms are same. Here also 1 upon root x, here also 1 upon root x, 1 upon root y, 1 upon root y. Now we can put this bracket term and replace this bracket term with some other variable. So let put 1 upon root x is equals to p, and 1 upon root y is equals to q in above equations. So if you will put these in above equations, so it will become, this whole equation will become 2p plus 3q is equals to 2. We will give it to number 3, and 4p minus 9q is equals to minus 1. We will give it to number 4. Now it is reduced in our standard form of linear equation, which is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. So now it is easy for us to solve this. So next step is we have to eliminate. We have to use any one method to solve these equations to find the value of p and q. So let us use the elimination method. If we will see the p terms, it is 2 and it is 4. The coefficient is 2 and it is 4. So if you will simply multiply the equation 3 with 2, the coefficient of p will become same. So what I will do, I will multiply the equation 3 with 2. So this 2 I will multiply with this equation 3. So this will become 2 2s are 4p plus 3 2s are 6q is equals to 2 2s are 4, and this will become 4p minus 9q minus 1. Now simply subtract it. If you will subtract this sign will changes. This will become plus and this will also become plus. So this and this will get cancelled. This is 15q is equals to 5. Now from this we will find the value of q. 15q is equals to 5. Means what? This implies q is equals to 5 upon 15, and this implies q is equals to 5 ones and 5 threes are. So it is 1 upon 3. So this is the value of q. So let us find the value of p by putting the value of q in any one of the equations. So put q is equals to 1 upon 3 in equation 3. Equation 3. I am choosing the equation 3, which is 2p plus 3q is equals to 2. Now put the value of q here. This value of q will put here. So it is 2p plus 3 into 1 upon 3 is equals to 2. Now this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Now this become 2p plus 1 is equals to 2, and this will be 2p is equals to 2 minus 1, and this will be 2p is equals to 1, and this implies p is equals to 1 upon 2. So we have the value of the variable that we choose to reduce the equation, that is p and q, but the value of p and q is something different. So we will write the value of p and q. So we will write here, but but 1 upon root x, it is the value of p, and 1 upon root y, it is the value of q. So therefore we will put the value of p here, and as it is root, before putting the value of p, if you will simplify this root, it will be okay. So to simplify or to remove the root, what we will do, we will take the squares on both sides. So if we will take the square on both sides, it will become 1 upon root x whole square is equals to p square. And here also we will take the square to remove the square root. So 1 upon root y uska square is equals to q square. So this will be, so this implies this is 1 ka square upon root x square is equals to p square, and this is 1 square upon root y square is equals to q square. Now this implies 1 square is 1 and square root, and this square will get cancelled. This will become x is equals to p square, and this square root and square will get cancelled, and the square of 1 is 1. 1 upon y is equals to q. Now here 1 upon x is equals to p square and 1 upon y is equals to q square. Now put the value, we have the value of p and q, so we will put these values. This implies 1 upon x is equals to the value of p. We found the value of p is, the value of p is 1 upon 2 and q is 1 upon 3. So value of p is 1 upon 2 and it is p square, so 1 upon 2 ka square, and value of q is 1 upon 3 and q square means 1 upon 3 square. Now we will solve this. So 1 upon x is equals to, the square of 1 will be 1 and the square of 2 will be 4, and 1 upon y is equals to, the square of 1 will be 1 and the square of 3 will be 9. And then solve this for x and y. If you will take the cross multiplication of this, so x is equals to 4, this is the value of x, and if you will take the cross multiplication here, so y is equals to 9. This is the required values. So hence we will write here, hence x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 9. This is the answer.